If you've been told curly hair isn't for your age, or that a perm automatically means looking like someone's grandmother, today we're throwing that idea straight out the window. Because the truth is, the right curls can shave years off your look, and most women over 60 have no idea these 7 styles even exist. Stick around because style number 4 is the one hairstylists don't want you to know is basically free to ask for, and the last style on this list might just change how you think about gray hair completely. Hey there, welcome back to Elegant Beyond Age, the place where we prove every single week that style, confidence, and elegance only get better with time. If this is your first time here, hello and welcome. I'm so glad you found us. And if you've been with us a while, thank you for showing up again, it genuinely means a lot. Today we're talking hair, specifically curls, and how to get texture and volume that flatters you instead of aging you. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to ask for at your next salon visit, and more importantly, why each of these styles actually works in your favor. Before we get into it, if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you never miss a video like this one. It costs nothing and it helps this channel keep growing for women just like you. Where the granny perm stereotype actually came from. Let's talk for a second about why curls got such a bad reputation in the first place, because understanding this actually helps everything else in this video make more sense. Decades ago, salons had limited tools and limited techniques. A perm meant tight rods wrapped close to the scalp, processed until the curl held no matter what. It wasn't really about style, it was about longevity. Women wanted something that would last for months without much upkeep, and that meant sacrificing softness for structure. That tight, uniform, close to the scalp curl is the exact image most people picture when they hear the word perm. And once that image got attached to a certain generation, it stuck, fairly or not. But here's the part nobody mentions enough. The technology, the tools, and the techniques used today are almost nothing like what was available back then. Stylists now have access to different rod sizes, different wrapping patterns, different processing times, and entirely different philosophies about what a curl should look like. Modern curls are built around movement, not rigidity. They're designed to look like something that happened naturally, not something that was engineered to survive a hurricane. So when we talk about curly hairstyles in this video, we are not talking about that old stereotype at all. We're talking about soft, bouncy, face-flattering texture that works with your natural aging process instead of fighting against it. Let's get into the styles themselves. Hairstyle number 1. The loose beach wave bob. This one is proof that curls don't have to be tight to make an impact. The loose beach wave bob sits right around the chin or just below it, and instead of uniform ringlets, you get soft, undone waves that look like you just walked off a coastline somewhere beautiful. What makes this style so flattering for women over 60 is the way it frames the jawline without adding bulk. A lot of women avoid curls because they worry about looking wider or heavier around the face, but this particular wave pattern actually does the opposite. It softens sharp angles and draws attention upward toward the eyes. The trick here is asking your stylist for a loose rod set or a large barrel curling technique, rather than a tight perm rod. You want movement, not spirals. The size of the rod matters more than most people realize. A larger rod creates a gentle, elongated wave, while a smaller rod creates that tighter, more traditional curl most women want to avoid. So when you sit down in that chair, don't just say, "I want curls." Be specific. Say you want a loose, beachy texture with movement, not tight ringlets. Another thing worth mentioning is how this style photographs and how it holds up throughout the day. Because the waves are loose rather than structured, they don't look done in a stiff way. They soften as the day goes on instead of falling flat, which means you actually look better by afternoon rather than worse, and that's rare for any hairstyle. The best part is this style takes almost no daily effort. A little sea salt spray, a scrunch with your hands, and you're done. No hot tools needed most mornings. If you do want to refresh it midweek, a light misting of water combined with a curl refreshing cream and a gentle scrunch brings the wave pattern right back to life. This is genuinely one of the lowest maintenance options on this entire list, which makes it perfect for anyone who wants the elegance of curls without adding another 20 minutes to their morning routine. Hairstyle number 2. The soft shag with curls. If you want something with a bit more personality, the soft shag is where it's at. This style layers the hair throughout, so when curls form, they fall in a way that looks effortless and a little rock and roll, in the best way possible. Think less done up and more I woke up looking this good. The reason this works so beautifully for mature hair is that layering removes weight and lighter hair curls with more bounce. If your hair has thinned even slightly over the years, and let's be honest, most of us have, this cut actually creates the illusion of fullness because the curls have room to move instead of sitting flat under their own weight. Heavy, blunt hair tends to pull curls straight down over time, which is exactly why so many curly perms from years past ended up looking flat and lifeless by the end of the day. Layering solves that problem completely. Ask your stylist specifically for face framing layers combined with a diffused blow dry, and you'll walk out looking like you spent hours getting ready when really it took 15 minutes. A diffuser attachment on your blow dryer is honestly one of the most underrated tools for curly or wavy hair. Instead of blasting air directly at your strands and creating frizz, a diffuser cups the curl and dries it gently, encouraging the natural pattern to form without disturbing it. If you don't already own one, it's a small investment that makes a noticeable difference. This style also gives you flexibility depending on your mood. Some days you might want to enhance the curl fully for a soft, romantic look. Other days you can rough dry it and let the texture sit more relaxed and casual. Either way, the cut itself does the heavy lifting, which is exactly what you want at this stage of life. Less effort, more payoff. Hairstyle number 3. The cropped curly pixie. Now, I know what some of you are thinking. A pixie cut with curls sounds like a big commitment. But hear me out, because this might be the most confidence-boosting style on this entire list. A cropped curly pixie takes natural texture and turns it into the star of the show instead of something to control or hide. Short curls catch light beautifully, and they give your face incredible definition. There's something about a well-cut curly pixie that draws attention straight to your eyes and your cheekbones, the parts of your face that deserve the spotlight. It's a style that says confidence without saying a single word. This cut works especially well if you've got naturally curly or wavy hair that you've been straightening for years just to make it manageable. Letting it curl on purpose in a shape designed specifically for curls changes everything. So many women spend decades fighting their natural texture, spending time and money trying to smooth it out, only to discover later in life that the very thing they were hiding was actually their best feature all along. It also happens to be one of the lowest maintenance styles on this list. Wash, scrunch a curl cream through it, and let it air dry. That's genuinely it. No blow dryer required most days, no complicated routine, just a few minutes and you're ready to walk out the door. For women who want a style that feels bold, modern, and completely effortless at the same time, this is very hard to beat. One thing to keep in mind with this cut is finding a stylist who genuinely understands curly texture. Not every stylist cuts curls the same way they cut straight hair. And a pixie especially needs to be shaped with the curl pattern in mind, since curls shrink upward as they dry. Asking to see examples of curly pixies a stylist has done before booking your appointment can save you from a length surprise once your hair dries and springs up. Okay, before we move on to style number 4, and trust me, this next one is a favorite, I have to ask, which of these 3 so far would you actually try? Drop a comment and let me know. I read every single one. And if this video is helping you see curls in a totally new light, do me a favor and hit that like button. It genuinely helps this channel reach more women who need to see exactly this. Alright, let's keep going because it only gets better from here. Hairstyle number 4. The volumized curly lob. This is the one hairstylists quietly love because it flatters almost every face shape, and it's easier to ask for than you'd think. The curly lob, which simply means a long bob that sits around the shoulders, gives you enough length to feel elegant, while the curl pattern adds volume exactly where most of us start losing it as we get older, right at the crown and through the mid-lengths. What makes this style so uncommon is the way it's cut. Instead of one blunt length all the way around, a good stylist will add subtle internal layers that you can't really see when the hair is straight, but the moment curls form, those layers create separation and lift. It looks full without looking heavy, and it looks styled without looking stiff. This is a wonderful in-between option if you're not ready to go short, but you're tired of long hair pulling your face down. Long, heavy hair has a tendency to drag everything downward, including how your face reads from a distance. Shoulder-length curls, on the other hand, lift and frame rather than weigh down, which is a small change that makes a surprisingly big visual difference. Here's the part that makes this style so easy to request. You don't actually need a full chemical perm to achieve this look if your hair already has some natural wave. A skilled stylist can enhance existing texture through cutting technique alone, using something called texturizing or point cutting, which removes just enough weight to let your natural pattern show through more clearly. For women whose hair is completely straight and want the curl added, a loose perm combined with this cut is where the real magic happens. Either way, this is a request most salons can accommodate without a lengthy or expensive process, which is exactly why it deserves a spot on this list. Hairstyle number 5. The curly shoulder-length shag with bangs. Curtain bangs have had their moment, but curly bangs paired with a shoulder-length shag are the quieter, more elegant cousin nobody's talking about yet. This style softens the entire upper face, especially around the forehead and temples, areas that tend to show the most visible signs of time. The curl in the bang itself falls naturally to the side, so it never looks like a harsh straight line across your forehead, which honestly can age anyone at any age. This is a wonderful option for women who want a bit of a refresh without cutting off length. It's also incredibly versatile. Pin the front section back for a more polished look during the day, or let it fall loose for an evening out. Either way, it reads as intentional and put together. One detail worth mentioning is how this style interacts with glasses, since so many of us wear them daily at this stage of life. Because the bang sits softly to the side rather than straight across, it doesn't compete with the frames the way a blunt fringe often does. Instead, the two work together, creating a layered, dimensional look around the eyes rather than a busy or cluttered one. If you're nervous about committing to bangs after not having them for years, ask your stylist about a longer face-framing curtain style first. It's a gentler way to test the waters before going shorter, and it can always be adjusted once you see how your natural curl pattern behaves around your face. Hairstyle number 6. The full volume curly shag. This is for the woman who wants her hair to make a statement. Big, bouncy, full of texture from root to end. Think of it as the confident older sister of the soft shag we talked about earlier. The layers are cut shorter and choppier throughout, which allows the curl to really do its thing and create serious volume. Here's what makes this uncommon advice. Most people assume big hair ages you, but that's only true when the volume sits flat and looks heavy. When volume comes from texture and movement instead of just length, it actually reads as youthful and energetic. There's a real difference between hair that looks big because it's overgrown or unstyled, and hair that looks big because every layer has been intentionally placed to create lift and bounce. This style pairs beautifully with a slightly deeper root shadow, which adds even more dimension when the light hits those curls. A root shadow simply means a subtle deepening of color close to the scalp that gradually blends into your natural or colored shade. It creates the illusion of depth and thickness, which works hand in hand with the volume this cut already provides. If you lead an active lifestyle, this style also happens to be forgiving in a way sleek straight styles simply are not. Wind, humidity, and a bit of movement throughout the day only enhance this look rather than ruin it. For women who want their hair to feel as energetic and full of life as they are, this is the style that delivers. Hairstyle number 7. The elegant silver curl. We saved this one for last because it might be the most powerful style shift on this entire list, and it has nothing to do with cutting your hair at all. If you've been coloring your hair for years and you're even a little curious about embracing your natural silver or gray, curls are the single best way to transition, because texture disguises regrowth lines in a way straight hair simply cannot. When straight hair grows out, the line between your natural color and your dyed color tends to be sharp and obvious, which is exactly why so many women feel stuck maintaining color appointments every few weeks just to avoid that visible line. Curly or wavy texture breaks up that line completely. The natural movement of the curl scatters light and blurs the transition. So instead of a stark demarcation, you get a soft, gradual blend that looks intentional from day one. Curly silver hair has an almost luminous quality to it. It catches light differently than colored hair does, and paired with any of the cuts we've already talked about, it can look genuinely striking rather than aging, which is the fear so many women carry around going gray. This isn't about giving up on style, it's about choosing a completely different kind of beauty, one that a lot of women don't discover until they finally give themselves permission to try it. If you're considering this transition, know that it doesn't have to happen overnight. Many women choose to grow it out gradually, using lowlights or a technique called silver blending to soften the process over several months. Talk to your stylist about a gradual transition plan if going fully silver all at once feels like too big a leap. There's no wrong way to do this, only the way that feels right for you. So there you have it, 7 curly hairstyles that have nothing to do with tight rollers and everything to do with movement, texture, and choosing a cut that actually works with your hair instead of against it. The granny perm stereotype exists because of one outdated technique, not because curls themselves have an age limit. Technology, tools, and techniques have all evolved, and it's time our thinking about curls evolves right along with them. You get to decide what elegant looks like on you, and if that includes a little bounce and texture, there is absolutely nothing wrong with that. Whether you choose something low maintenance like the beach wave bob, something bold like the cropped pixie, or something transformative like finally embracing your natural silver, the goal is always the same. Feeling like the most confident, put-together version of yourself at exactly the age you are right now. If you found even one style here you're excited to try, let me know in the comments which number caught your eye the most. And if you're new here, welcome to the family. Please consider subscribing so you don't miss what's coming next. For everyone who's been here a while, thank you truly for continuing to show up week after week. I'll see you in the next one.